What's up, guys? This is your boy Maro here in the streets of Barranquilla. I'm in hardcore streets, so I will not talk too much because I'm so new here. The streets look really hardcore, so I'm just wanna walk. Please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel as I show you what's going on here. Gracias, señor. So we wanna just go that way, deep inside. If there's music, I'm gonna put my other music, but it's gonna be like 10 minutes. It's just amazing, man. Whoa. So we're going that way.
De la victoria, y esto significa que estamos en victoria, y esto significa que estamos en victoria, aunque el enemigo no lo quiera, estamos en victoria, aunque el enemigo no lo quiera, estamos en victoria, 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 en victoria. Yo sé que Cristo viene, yo espero su venida, yo sé que Cristo viene, yo espero su venida, y el que está preparado, siga con él hacia arriba.
These are very local streets, guys, super local. They don't know what to expect in these streets, but you just have to go. DEA. Wow. There's food here. Amazing food. Let me go that way, guys. Okay. Let me follow this group and see where this leads me. This is when good vibration takes you to places. Wow, this is Barranquilla, Real Streets Part 2. I'm sure you watch Part 1 and see how it is. Let me go this way. So one thing you realize is there are all types of people here. There are mixed, black, white, mix, I don't know even how to say. All representation is here. Okay, so let's go, man. This is real streets. It's very, very casual here. There's maize. There's everything here, you know. Wow. Look at this, man.
Un buen doctor y también yo creo que es lo natural, pero no te vas a olvidar de los viejos que se criaron.
Wow, I don't know where this road is taking me, man. This is something else. It's packed here, man. So I'll have to avoid that and go. I think that's the ocean. Wow. Wow, guys. Here is something else. Wow. I'm just getting lost here. Super lost. I don't even know how to go now. I'm so lost here now, but I keep going like I am a native, you know. But I believe I'll get some way out. I'm actually lost in this black market street. At the same time is I'm very hopeful everything gonna be alright. So yeah, you see, there's always a way out. Maybe I should get a haircut there. You know? Oh. I have to be careful, man. I need to cross like those guys. That's how you cross, my friend. So most countries are the same, you know. You hear that type of song? Very popular here. These places are one of the best places to eat. Those type of places, they have really good food, you know. One thing you realize about life is nearly the same in nearly most of the countries. The hustle is real. People go out and just struggle. People sleep in the streets. It's everywhere, from Asia, from the Philippines to Colombia to Africa. Life is purely the same, essentially the same, man. To Cuba, same, you know? The same. I'm telling you. But I realize music is one of that thing that coordinates lots of people, and everywhere music is like everything, you know. Yeah, music. Let me go this way. This looks like. This looks like.
donde vaya a aprender esta gran oportunidad para comprar sandalias para dama desde 10.000, 15.000 y 20.000.
A 12 barritas, los relojes de caja.
Hey, saludos para mi hermano Jason conectado ahí conmigo que me dice, ¿sabes? Me gusta una canción del Big Crepo, se llama nuestra canción, suena, me la sueno de una, mi rey, de una. Hey, tú lo pides y te da, tú lo pides y se te suena. Que mañana me ahí te acompaña el lunes. Ay, bacano,
This is one of the parks here. And you see, we have another church right there. Churches in Colombia are very popular. Very popular.
Bueno, bienvenidos a esa hora. Si está el zurdo, es de derecha, no importa. Aquí nos aceptamos a todos. El que entendió, entendió. ¿Quién te quiero yo? Qué vaciloncito, Hambre de mañana, maíz, te acompaño el lunes. Se llama nuestra canción, el Big Crepo.
Ah, man, look at this. Very, very nice. Wow. I miss birds, you know. Colombia. So let's keep walking this way. So Barranquilla has a population of 1.1. Let me show you how these things are flying. Whoa. I miss my birds, you know. I miss my birds. I heard them. They are at my village. So Barranquilla has a population of 1.1 million, and it's one of the hottest cities in Colombia because it's next to the ocean. Sometimes it can get as hot as 36 degrees centigrade, so it's crazy here. I want you to see look at this church, man. You know, that is the church here in Colombia, Barranquilla. I'm still looking for one park which I haven't found yet. All right. So please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, man. It's your boy Mara bringing you videos from Barranquilla, Colombia, and I'll see you in my next one, bro. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. This is Barranquilla. Thank God you have a YouTuber who brings you things like this, man. Raw and edited. Bye bye.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
How much do I need to party here in Jamaica? What's up, guys? This is Mara coming live from New York City. We are in Hawaii.
we at? We're at
yeah.
the Griffith Observatory in Los Angeles.
So I'm officially saying goodbye to Japan. As you see here, welcome to Japan. ¿Eres, Elisa?
Soy de España.
I'm heading to